Are you a creator or an entrepreneur? Then you need to check out Kajabi. Kajabi is the ultimate all-in-one platform that helps creators and entrepreneurs build successful online businesses. And it doesn't matter what kind of creator you are. Kajabi provides a simple solution to turn your passions, skills, and experiences into diverse revenue streams that you have total control of. With Kajabi, you can build enriching online courses that help your audience learn and grow. Offer an exclusive membership to directly access all of your content without worrying about any algorithms getting in the way. Grow a thriving community where members can interact with each other and with you beyond just likes and comments. You can also create an original podcast and choose to publish it for free or as a premium subscription. And even develop personalized coaching experiences to work one-on-one or with a larger group. All of this is underpinned by robust analytics, seamless sales and marketing tools, and easy payment options. Plus a host of unique smart tools like AI and Creator Studio allow you to create, outline, and repurpose your content with just a few clicks. Look how easy that was. Kajabi gives creators and entrepreneurs full ownership and control over their brand. With free customizable templates you can make your own, you can get up and running in no time, even if you're not tech or design savvy. You also don't need a huge audience to get started or to make a sustainable income. Creators on Kajabi have earned over $8 billion and they keep everything they earn because Kajabi does not do rev shares. Turning what you do into an online business is easier than you think. And if you're ready to build a sustainable financial future for yourself, let's get started.